Today, I am reviewing the Honeywell 50-Pint ENERGY STAR Dehumidifier. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you have ever dealt with a damp, musty basement that smells like a wet dog, you know that a dehumidifier is not just a luxury, it is a necessity. I spent the last 3 weeks testing the new Honeywell 50-Pint Dehumidifier with a built-in pump, and while it definitely gets the job done, it is not without a few quirks that you should know about before you drop your money on it. Right out of the box, the build quality feels standard for Honeywell. It is not going to win any design awards, but it feels sturdy enough to handle being moved around a basement or a garage. The setup was straightforward. I had it running in about 5 minutes. The biggest draw here is obviously the pump. If you are tired of manually emptying a bucket every single day, this is a game changer. I ran a standard garden hose from the back of the unit to a nearby utility sink. Ultimately, I think this is a solid, reliable workhorse. It is not flashy, and it has a couple of minor usability gripes regarding the bucket and the noise level, but it does exactly what it promises. It pulls moisture out of the air effectively, and the pump feature makes the whole process hands-off, which is exactly what I wanted. If you can handle the hum and you have a place to drain the water, this is a great investment for the health of your home. Again, check the links below if you want to explore the product or see the latest pricing, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about my experience with it.